Good evening, everyone. Welcome to AI 1 Minute for July 15th, 2023.
Here are the things that happened in the AI world today.
A trending repository called Haystack has not been mentioned in our videos. This is something similar to LangChain that lays groundwork for accessing LLMs for building applications. There are several differences between Haystack and LangChain, such as the requirement for REST API for Haystack, the structure of more flexible pipeline versus chains, and GPU acceleration that can be used for Haystack but not LangChain.
Elon Musk has organized a tweet discussion about the missions, values, and team of xAI, including various details. Musk emphasized that they are trying to build intelligence that are truth-curious and aims to minimize errors. xAI will power Tesla's automation, will use heavy compute at the very beginning, and is open to US as well as Chinese regulations.
Hollywood actor Simon Pegg talked about AI, saying that it prevents Hollywood from making mediocre entertainment products and drives human imagination and creativity higher.
On July 13th, Google Research published an article about a new way of fine-tuning a language model, symbol tuning. This technique works by assigning labels to inputs to help the model align natural language with corresponding symbol understanding.
That's it for today. See our video intro to learn more. Good night.
Good night.